Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of hormone mimics in insect pest management, a smart and eco-friendly way to control insect pests using the insect's own biology against them. We will learn how scientists design synthetic hormone analogues that imitate or block natural insect hormones like juvenile hormone and ecdysone, disrupting their growth, molting and reproduction. By the end of this class, you will understand how these insect growth regulators or IGRs serve as precise, environmentally safe tools in modern pest management, protecting crops while maintaining ecological balance. Now, we should study the hormone mimics and their applications in insect pest management. Insects, like humans, have hormones that control their growth, molting, and reproduction. By imitating or disturbing these hormones, we can disrupt their life cycle, a smart and eco-friendly way to control insect pests. Major insect hormones are ecdysone, which also known as molting hormone that triggers shedding of old cuticle, and juvenile hormone, which keeps the insect larval or immature, and it prevent adult formation. What are hormone mimics? Hormone mimics or analogues are synthetic compounds that imitate or block natural insect hormones, disturbing growth, molting or reproduction. They are also called insect growth regulators. Types of hormonal control agents. Juvenile hormone analog JHA. How they work? They mimic juvenile hormone, keeping the insect young forever. Larvae fail to pupate or become deformed adults and they eventually die. The examples include methoprene, pyriproxyfen, hydroprene, etc. And the applications include used to control mosquitoes, houseflies, stored grain pests, etc. Ecdysone agonist or antagonist, how they work? These interfere with molting or ecdysis, even either by forcing early molting or by blocking it. Result induces deformities or death during molting. Examples include Tebufenozide or Halofenozide agonist, which imitate ecdysone, and Cyromazine, which also act as antagonist and it blocks ecdysone. Antigonadotropins or anti-feedants, how they work? They stop insects from reproducing or feeding. They reduced population and crop protection. Examples include Azadirachtin from neem, which inhibits feeding and molting. Advantages of hormone-based pest control: it is highly target specific, it affects only insects, it's eco-friendly and safe for humans and animals, it's no resistance buildup unlike conventional insecticides, it is compatible with IPM or integrated pest management programs. Limitations include expensive to synthesize, short environmental persistence which can degrade quickly, less effective in field conditions with changing climates. In nutshell, we can say hormone mimics don't kill insects instantly, they confuse their biology, stopping them from growing or reproducing. A perfect example of smart pest control working with nature, not against it. So, my dear students, today we discovered how hormone mimics act as powerful tools in insect pest management by imitating or disrupting natural insect hormones. We learned how juvenile hormone analogues prevent metamorphosis, how ecdysone agonists and antagonists interfere with molting, and how azadirachtin from neem works as natural antifeedant. The insect growth regulators or IGRs offer an eco-friendly, target-specific and sustainable way to control pests while protecting our environment. If you enjoyed learning how science uses nature's own signals to manage pests smartly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating lessons in biology. See you in the next class, and until then, stay curious and keep exploring the science of life. Thank you.